So just a quick video. If you're walking around Belfast at the minute, you should see these fancy looking things here. They are the new hubs that are around town. This is the BT version of things, and hubs have a few things on them. I'll show you some of the features. So they offer you free calls. I believe it's out of these speakers here, so it's all hands free, so watch out when you're doing that. Who's around you and stuff. Has Belfast City Council features, so you'll have sort of the council website there, things to do around Belfast, the usual sort of stuff. You've got help and support for how to use it. You've got the free guide to Wi-Fi, because there is a free Wi-Fi hotspot too, which is quite handy. Charity helplines, in-link rewards, stuff like that. Maps of Belfast are very useful also. And if you just walk just over here, just bumped into Tina here while I was walking over. I'm going to show you the second one. This is by a company called Pulse. Kind of like a normal mobile phone. You can sort of make a call, you can do the Wi-Fi there. There's local information. It doesn't just have the council map, but has stuff about Visit Belfast too, what's on around the city. There are some of the events that will be happening in Belfast soon. You can go to maps if you're a tourist, and you can hit a certain area. There's Coco, the restaurant, shows you different things like that. You can get the Belfast Visitor Centre, local cinemas, things like that. There's also a good feature here, which is the emergency button. I'm not going to hit that, but I believe it links you to the police and emergency services. The good thing about these also is that there's a USB on these, so you can charge your phone up if you are stuck on things like a night out. And yeah, just very useful to have. These are not paid by the taxpayer though. There are advertisements in this which I believe fund these, so you've got these and you've got the BT ones, and they're all over Belfast in a minute, so check them out while you're here. These ones are near City Hall and the new George Best Hotel. It's going to be open soon. But yeah, anyway, that's a quick guide to these. See you later.